An HR hotline is a must for any growing small business. As the founder of CYB Human Resources, I've seen our Concierge HR Hotline transform businesses. HR hotlines can prevent many issues from snowballing, manage employee concerns, HR fires, and so much more. Our hotline is perfect for companies needing occasional, real-time access to HR experts for urgent inquiries or complex challenges. Key benefits of our HR hotline: HR expert access, timely guidance on a wide range of HR issues, confidential, reliable, be able to discuss sensitive topics easily, compliance assistance, stay updated with HR laws, regulations. Our hotline supports both management and employees, providing comprehensive help for your team. Get started today. Reach out to us, schedule a call, and let's learn about your needs. And sign up. Choose the right level of service. We have multiple levels of our hotline available. At CYB, we're committed to you and your success. Book a call today and let's chat about how we can help your business thrive.